Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Bib's Life and Tales. I show you guys again guys. It's so beautiful guys. Mm. This is inside. We need to put that right here guys. Very nice. Mm. 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 I need to put that right here. So beautiful. I need to learn how to do makeup guys. I have a makeup and oh very nice guys. Look at that. So beautiful. We need to arrange over here. Mm. From bigger, I think this is the big one. Very nice. Ah, maybe this one. This is the bigger one. Yeah, this is the bigger one. Hmm? Very nice guy. Over here. At least may lalagyan na siya eh. Over here. Next, I think this. Yeah. Same naman. This one. Ay. Ay. Next, this one. I need to put right here guy. This may lalagyan na siya. Look like small one. That's fine na. Then, I think, yeah, the next one, this one. Small na siya guys, small. And the next one. Ay, na. Next one. Next one. Next one. Ah, this is the one guy. For the yan guy. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Look at that. See? So amazing. Beautiful guy. Very nice. And then look. You can like that and then you need to tie. Tie. Very nice guy. I like this guy. So beautiful.
There are reports that administration is considering harming Iranian Kurdish groups. So could you please clarify that whether any such plan has been authorized or and whether Congress or regional partners has been notified and consulted?
All I would say is none of our objectives are premised on the support of the army of nuclear force. So what other entities may be doing, we're aware of. What our objectives are
Okay. Secretary Michael and Martin, can you talk a little bit about the situation in Iran and do parallel operations that make sure how are you making sure they're not I'm happy to take that. Thank you. We have liaison officers on both sides. There are U.S. CENTCOM teammates that have information, and there are Israeli Defense Force teammates, and also command and control nodes within the U.S. CENTCOM enterprise. We routinely talk to the IDF Chief of Defense, and I
Yan guy, bumalik yung holy hawk guy. But still not flowering that eh. What is holy hawk? And look at this guy. I don't know what's the name of the a flower na guy. Star flower. Usually we cut this guy because hit to the wall over there. And still flowery. A flower na siya. Other one before ito. Grocery shopping from Walmart. First week of March, guy. Chips, honey barbecue, really good. Is the hot dog buns, burger buns, choco, egg, banana. This banana, guy, 5 pieces, 50 pesos. Look like cheaper the banana here compared to the Philippines. I don't know. Because this is, guy, 59 pesos. This is $1, guy. Look like. I'm not sure. Comment below, guy. Jasmine rice, may rice, hamburger. The avocado still, green. Hot dog, bacon, chicken, and the sweet Italian sausage. And that's it, guy. And how much this pen? 63.10. 3,717, guy. Pesos. For the piso. And that's it, guy. Hi, guy. Check natin to, guy. Itong marigold, guy. We planted that last February 26. So, 6 days na siya, guy. I think it's time to open. Maybe it's time to open, guy, because look like this is marigold, guy. This one is marigold. Open na natin, guys. 6 days marigold. Oh, wow. Look at that. See? Already, guys. Look at that. 6 days pa lang yan, guys, ha? It's 6 days. Exciting na, guys. Wow, tubo na siya, guys. Ay, kailangan na siyang tanggalan. And then, lagyan natin ng, what that? Wow. Basta marigold, guys, madaling matubo. Very quick to grow. 6 days lang to, eh. And then, after 1 month, tanim ko na siya sa labas, guys. Next. Pag galing namin vacation, pagbalik namin dito, itanim ko na siya outside. Eh? Next, marigold again to, guys. Imagine mo, it's grow. Always saving this, guy, and reuse this next year. Even the paper towel, we reuse next year. We do this, guy. Every time we planted seed, we use this one, rubber band, and this is the guy, the bottle, water bottle. And then if I plant me outside, guy, including this, it's fine naman siya. Kahit i-include ko siya. But I think have different flower, don't like if I include this. But this one, we planted this twice, guy. Twice, but it's fine. Eh. They grow nice. Next, this one, guy. Still marigold ito. Grow na yun ang marigold lagi. Marigold is grow. Grow na yun ang marigold, guy. Marigold is growing. It's green. Look at that, guy. Yeah, the marigold is grow. 6 this, guy. This one, sweet pepper. Let's see if grow. Oh no, nothing, guy. I don't know. Still not grow. Or maybe thick. Take 2 weeks. And try the spinach, guy. This one spinach. Try if grow. Oh no, still not. Oh boy. I don't know. Maybe take 2 weeks before grow. Still not, guy. The other one, hot paper also. Still not go. I know this one guy, maybe. This one, ano, the paper hot, but I know maybe this one is the, ano, marigold. Still not go, guys. I think this one is sunflower. This one. Yeah, sunflower. Hopefully it's grow, please. Still nothing. Nothing to play. Or maybe take long, guys, before to grow the sunflower. Still nothing. Only marigold very quick for this one. Ay, 6 days. Still nothing. Oh, grow, guys. Ito. Wow, the sunflowers grow. I think some seeds, guys, is not good. Maybe some of the seed is not good. But this one, habon eh. This one also nothing. Hopefully naman, no? Only one sunflower. Oh, two, another. You mean some seed is bad, so that's why not grow. Hopefully have. Oh no. Nothing. Hopefully some. This is hopefully it have nothing. Only two, guys. Only two sunflower grow. Ah, maybe soon. Need to wait for few days. Maybe it's grow for few days. I think this one is still ano to eh. Yeah. Still marigold eh. Still marigold eh. Tingnan. Still marigold to. Still marigold to be. Ito. Ano yan? Marigold man to. Hindi pa masyado nagpuro. Ha? No. Iba man to. Hindi to marigold eh. Yan yun doon eh. Tubo siya guys. Bilis pa lang tubo to. Iligan natin konting tubig guys. Diligan natin guys. Ganito na lang. Konti. Kailangan ganito lang yun, no? Para di malumos.